Hi guys, and welcome to another Journal with Me session. This is episode 10. I do hope you are enjoying these as much as I am actually enjoying making these spreads. So today I wanted to use some of the products that I received in the box from the little stamp store, and I have an unboxing video for that which I will link in the description below. It's a quarterly subscription, and they're really cute items that they hand produce and select and put together. It's very thoughtful. So this is going to be a very simple spread actually, and I'm starting off with my usual technique of just layering some papers, various scrapbook papers and other papers that I just kind of accumulate through time, as I think most of us do. So I'm kind of randomly just putting down scraps. Most of these you won't really see later on anyway, so I'm not thinking about it a lot. I'm just kind of putting stuff down to get some nice textures and layers going. So next I use this stencil, which looks like a honeycomb. That's I think the word I'm looking for. Unfortunately I don't remember where I got this. I've had this for a really long time, and I'm just using some very cheap craft paint that I'm just layering over, and I'm going to do that on both sides to make it more or less symmetrical. Then I just dried it very quickly with my heat gun off camera because you don't really need to see that. And this is the beautiful bee that was one of the products in that little box from the stamp store. And you see me inking it up here. Then I realized I was inking up the wrong side because I just wanted like a partial print of it on the left side of the page, and I realized that I inked up the wrong page. The wrong part of the bee, and I forgot to put the writing board underneath to make a good impression of the stamp. So I've just slipped that underneath, and now I'm making the stamp, and I'm so sorry for the glare of my lights, and I'm very disappointed because it doesn't really come out nicely. So I give it another try and do put it on the right side of the spread as well. Forget to put the writing board underneath, and voila, it turns out very nicely. I don't know what the deal is. Why is that better? No idea. Doesn't make sense to me. So then I use this other stamp, which was in the same set, which just has like parts of a honeycomb. So I just stamped that in the bottom left, and of course, by not putting a paper underneath the spread, of course I put the stamping ink on all of my pages, plus the little plastic zipper bag I have underneath. Very typical for me. So then on the right side I do more or less the same thing. Luckily I don't put ink on anything else, which was pure coincidence. And then you see I have this little bee, which was from one of my AliExpress hauls, which I will link down below as well. So I added that on both sides of the spread. And now I'm taking my beloved Recollections alpha set that I got at Michael's, which is in my Michael's haul. And I'm just stamping the date, which was August 8th. And now I'm taking my 0.3 line marker, and I'm going to do my journaling for the day. And that day I am just writing about meeting up with my bestie and just hanging out at a cafe, working away on our laptops and just hanging out and having a great time. So that's the end of the spread, and please stay tuned for some screenshots at the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you appreciate these videos, please give me a thumbs up so that I know to make more and that you enjoy watching these. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to do so to get notifications and to spread the word so more people can access my channel. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.